Well, how do there, chums? It's the morning that we're heading to Cyprus. And there's the Ivy. You right there, Ivy? You got everything packed? Yeah, you're all good? Cool.
Maybe I need sleepers.
Bit out of breath, been loading the car. I'll load this in now. See you in a bit, people. So, chums, we're going to be parking in car park 7 inside of Birmingham. I'm going to put the postcode up on the screen so you can see where we're heading to. Ivy's just cooked some KFC chicken. And she's eating, and we've wrapped some up in tin foil to take with us on the journey. So I think we're all set. We've got nibbles for the plane as well. There's the old KFC. We leave some there for Lexper and his girlfriend. They actually bought it, to be fair, but we're leaving some behind for them. Cool. Anyway, we've got to go pick my mum up. My mum's coming with us. My mum is called Stella. She'll be for the whole trip. Anyway, we'll see you at Birmingham Airport car park next. Oh, people, we just stopped at a service station. There's Ivy. There's my mum enjoying a nice hot chocolate. And the name of the service station that we're at is Corley. Oh no, wait. Corley service station.
Corley.
Yeah, Corley. So although I said the next video you'd see would be at Birmingham, we're kind of there, nearly there. We're on the outskirts. Okay, well we're in car park 7. Now, something to keep in mind is you're going to need your mileage and the bay number. Then you go down to the actual car parking office. Make sure you take all your bags out first because they take the key off you. So we locked all the stuff in the car. I have to go backwards. Next to Mum on the coach. We'll catch this down to the airport. Ivy's sitting further over there. There's Ivy. Cool. We'll see you at the airport. So it's like for transfers. These buses come every 20 minutes. Take you straight there. Okay, coach dropped us here. Then we head up to departures over there. And as you can see, there's a bit of a queue already. Now we were pre-warned about queues, told to get here 3 hours early. Shouldn't take 3 hours, shouldn't take anything like 3 hours. But it has done in the past, so here we go. It's a check-in, seems to be all automatic now. You just scan your pass, weigh your bag, it prints out a ticket, you loop it around the handle, stick it down, and everything's good. Yeah, look, there you go, look, it's printing out now. It's like winning tickets at the fair or something.
So you're not allowed to remove your bag here.
Yeah, you got to loop that round there. Ivy's still got tape round her, so that makes it a bit difficult. There you go. Stick it down and then seal it all the way up to the handle.
Maybe.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Continue.
Yeah, continue. Don't forget your pass. Okay, that's it.
Bag drop-off point.
Yeah, proceed to bag drop-off point. Well, people, we're through check-in. We're inside of the duty-free area. Ivy's gone for the first luge. Oh yeah, it's pretty impressive here when it comes to shops. There's all sorts to tantalise your wallet, your pocket. Yeah. So, I'm in the duty-free area for those that like duty-free. For those that don't, I also got some Zelda up that I'm playing. Yeah, pretty darn cool, but there's all sorts here. In fact, I'll see if I can find a map, because I don't feel exactly comfortable filming all of this sort of stuff. But yeah, just for those that are interested. There's everything inside here. Lots of sunglasses, pretty cool. Bits and bobs, cognac, lots of alcohol, all sorts going on in here. Pretty awesome. Clarins, Joe Malone over there as well. Joe Malone, Helmness. And they've got Hermes here as well. Visage. Lots of different sprays. Cool. Michael Kors. I didn't know Hermes actually did body sprays. That's pretty cool. What sort of price are they asking on these? Not too bad. Okay, where it says World's Duty Free, there's actually a departures board over here. You're just looking for your flight number and it should tell you your gate. So we're flight LS1271. LS1271. There it is, Paphos. Gate 54 being prepared. Which I think is... Gate 54. Okay, Ivy, Mum, we're gate 54. Gate 54, yeah. We're now in the departure lounge. watching the planes. Can't see a Jet 2 plane at the moment. This is where our plane will be. Unusual. I don't think we're going on Swissport, but that's one being loaded with packages right now. Is that Jet 2 there? Oh no. Well, there was a slight delay, but we're now on our plane. Pretty awesome. Mum's got the window seat.
Yeah. Sorry, the ring.
Yeah. That's Ivy. Well, we've just taxied onto the runway. We're about to take off. You ready for takeoff?
Ready for takeoff? No.
My mum's not keen on takeoff. But at least you got the wing seat right on the wing there. Here we go. Takeoff time. Alright, Ivy. Well, we've landed, and now we're standing on the stairs before we can go on the airport to Cyprus. I'll show you around Cyprus airport in a moment. We've arrived in Paphos airport. I would have thought getting here this late, it wouldn't have been this busy. There's Ivy. You're right, Ivy. Go on. Well, people, we're right outside Costa Coffee right now, and then MTS Globe is the stand in the corner just there next to currency. So there's MTS in like red, blue, red and yellow, and that's the desk that we needed to go to. We went wandering outside because that's where everybody else was going. But yeah, there's Costa Coffee, and then it's just across from there. Jum's our actual little mini coach just arrived. It's a Mercedes. It's really cushy, very nice. Quite impressed with this transfer vehicle. Very nice.
It's good that you book it,
Yeah.
you know?
Well, howdy there, people. We've arrived at our hotel. I didn't do much in the airport, and I'm probably not going to do a hotel tour until tomorrow because we are shattered, knackered. Yeah, Ivy. Yeah, we've arrived at our hotel, and I'll do a better video in the morning. See you then. Okay, chums, we've got up to our hotel room. I'll give you a quick tour since we're here. So, going in, you actually put the key in there, which is pretty darn cool. Oh, look at this, it's all marble in here. Very groovy, very nice. Nice mirror, towel rail, a nice shower, and it's got the rain head. I like the big rain heads, that's cool. Shower, nice, toilet, all looks clean, all looks good. Got a little cupboard here. It's pretty cool. And we're coming over this way. And it looks like there's a adjoining door here that might even go into Mum's room. Hello, Mum.
No, it's a secret room.
Yeah. There's a fridge in the way of the door anyway. But yeah, looks like we could have a joining room. We've got beds here with little side lights. Got a nice little sofa. Let's have a look out the view of the window. And as you can see, it's still night time, so you're not going to see much out of there. But I'll show you out there as and when. Oh, here we go. We can go out there now. And here we go. I think we just got a view of the car park. I'll have a better look in the morning. But yeah, this is quite nice. We've got a balcony, Ivy. It's alright. Got some wall art. It's not quite a double bed, it's two single beds pushed together. That's a bit of a swizz, isn't it? Oh, okay, cool. Well, we've got a kettle, we've got all the essentials. There's me looking rather shattered. Oh God, people. It's been a long day, it really has. So anyway, I'll give you a better tour of the hotel, and I'll probably give you a better rating of the room after I've slept in it tomorrow, and a better tour in the day. This is just a quick glimpse for anybody that's watched our first video. You're right, Ivy.
It's okay.
You want to say goodbye to the people?
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
She's got her familism socks on. I got mine on as well. Cool. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, people. And yeah, I'll do something better in the morning. But we're proper shattered. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. And goodbye again.
In a world of screens where dreams come alive, Captain Steve takes us a magical ride through pixels and colors. He guides our way with every video. We escape just for a day from video games to life logs, and talk so bizarre. Captain C's channel takes us near and far. He dives into the depths of the internet's realm, unveiling strange tales that overwhelm.